Hey, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 116 for July 28th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. We've got some really cool AI stuff to talk about today. Let's dive in. Here's something that could change how you use your computer every single day. Perplexity has brought its personal computer tool to Windows. This means the world's most common operating system can now run an AI that acts like a general-purpose digital worker right on your own machine. Think of your computer like a messy desk covered in papers and folders. The AI steps in like a super-organized assistant who can see everything on that desk, open the right drawers, and put things in order without waiting for you to point at each item. It connects directly to your local files and apps so it can perform real actions instead of just chatting back with answers. The Windows version works the same way an earlier Mac release did back in April. Your data stays private because everything runs on your own computer instead of sending details somewhere else. This matters for students who spend hours sorting notes or pulling facts from different documents. The AI could gather those notes from scattered folders and turn them into one clean study guide while you focus on other things. For someone exploring creative hobbies, it might pull reference images and text from your saved files into a single place. You can download the tool from Perplexity's site and start testing it on everyday tasks like organizing downloads or summarizing documents you already have. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show. We are going to look under the hood at how AI agents actually work. Picture a friend helping you with a group project. That friend does not just suggest ideas and then stop. Instead, the friend opens the shared folder, grabs the right files, and puts everything into one document without needing a new instruction for each tiny step. Now add another layer. The same friend can also open a browser, search for missing information, copy it into the right spot, and even send the finished file to the group. The friend keeps checking what still needs doing and moves to the next step on their own. An AI agent follows a similar pattern. It receives a goal, looks at the tools and files it can reach, then carries out a sequence of actions to reach that goal. Instead of stopping after one answer, it keeps going through the steps, the way a person would click through apps or pages. The key difference is that the AI follows patterns it learned from seeing millions of similar tasks, so it can guess the next useful move even when the exact situation is new. When the agent finishes, you see the result in your files or apps instead of just reading a description of what happened. The process repeats as needed until the original request is complete, using whatever resources are available on the computer at that moment. That process is what turns a simple chat tool into something that actually gets work done for you. Now let's look at two other tools you can try today. Knowing names of artistic styles and techniques can give you much more interesting results from AI image tools. Words like vaporwave, Bauhaus, sfumato, or Art Nouveau act as shortcuts that tell the AI exactly what kind of look you want. Think of each style name like a single key on a piano that plays an entire chord instead of one note. The AI already knows the whole mood and technique behind that word, so you do not have to describe every brush stroke or color choice. This is useful if you create art, design posters for school projects, or just like experimenting with visuals for fun. Go to a free tool like Bing Image Creator or Grok's Image feature and type a simple prompt such as a city street in vaporwave style. Notice how that single art term changes the entire result compared with a plain description. The same approach works with other terms such as mukarnas, Art Nouveau whiplash curves, grisaille, notan, polysyndeton, and zeugma. Each name carries a bundle of visual or structural rules that the AI already knows, so one word replaces paragraphs of explanation. Next up is something already inside an app millions of teens use every day. Meta has added its AI chatbot directly into the direct messages section of Threads. You can have private conversations with the AI without leaving the app. Imagine switching between texting a friend and asking the AI for ideas all in the same chat list. If you have the Threads app, open a new direct message and start a chat with Meta AI. Try asking it to help rewrite a caption for a post or brainstorm ideas for a school assignment. The conversations stay inside your existing direct message list, so nothing extra needs to be installed or opened. Two quick updates caught my eye this week. Baidu has begun testing its self-driving cars in London with partners Lyft and FreeNow. The cars are already running routes in the city, showing how driverless technology is moving from testing to real-world use in more places. OpenAI has brought live voice conversations in ChatGPT to education, business, and enterprise plans worldwide. This lets people talk naturally with the AI instead of only typing, making it easier for students and teams to get help on the go. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. This show comes to you from the Nara Network. If you want another sharp daily briefing, Environmental Intelligence has you covered. The Environment and Climate Policy Brief for Canada. All our shows are free at naranetwork.com. And on the website, every episode's visuals live in our free image gallery at naranetwork.com/gallery. Royalty free under Creative Commons, download with attribution. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.